know, Dana White's pretty much the GOAT when it comes to playing blackjack and being a good guy overall, helping people out, you know, coming off of debt, you know, playing as a camaraderie type player, never really selfish. He just wants to win. And, you know, second to that is Mr. Handpay. Now, I say second because net worth-wise, yeah, but, you know, when it comes to the high stakes, I really think that Handpay and Dana aren't really too far off. That being said, I saw a video of him posting about a month or so ago, and I really didn't like, because it was slots. You know, he goes over to a lady and gives her like some money and helps her out. I haven't seen the video, but I really want to watch it because it's gotten a crazy amount of views, and I always love giving back and seeing people happy because they don't get to experience, some people don't get to experience life the way some other people's do. And I mean, I think it's our responsibility for the fortunate to help other people out. And that's what my lifelong journey is. You know, my dad did some stuff like that, and, you know, just to see the joy of other people from the, you know, from the bounteous fruit that we can acquire, it's good to help out the human man. All right, enough with the rant. Let's hop into it, you guys. Let's have some fun. You guys know the drill. Go over to Mr. Handpay, give him a like, subscribe, let him know where you came from. Let's have some fun. Let's dive into it. Let's go.
Your name is Lucy? I'm Jason. We're going to do something fun here. So you said you've never bet max bet on this game. What's your biggest bet you've ever made?
The most I ever paid.
50 cents is your biggest? All right, so what I'm going to do...
I just get out for fun.
Yeah, you get out for fun. Here, we're going to do something fun today, okay? What I want you to do is take out your money that you have in the machine right now. Just go collect, okay? And I promise it's going to be worth it, okay? All right, so you're going to collect that. You had $3.59. You were betting 38 cents?
Right.
Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to give you $200, and this is what we're going to do. You got to spend 22 spins at max bet, and you get to keep everything. Is that a deal?
Yeah, that's the deal.
And we're going to put you on YouTube.
On YouTube.
Yeah, you're going to love it. You'll be famous.
Hey, let's see what happens.
Lucy, let's see what you can do.
Lucy.
So here's what you need to do. So you're going to go 5
Lucy
gold
in
symbols
the sky
at
with
10x.
diamonds.
No, 10x. $8.80.
Oh my God.
A spin. So that's one. You got
That's
do
one.
22 of them, and you keep anything that you win. We're hoping for 3 drums. Third spin there. Let me turn it up the volume a little bit. All right, go again. Oh, come on. The money trees.
Why does he have a
There you go.
clicker?
Spins. Here we
He has
go.
a clicker on him.
Number 5.
What is going on
All
here?
right, got some coins. Almost got your money back.
Oh my God, you guys. We're going to stay around for the end of the video. I've got some theories. I've got some theories here.
I just want to see the 3 drums come one time. Number 7. All right, it's good. We're getting a little bit back every time. That's number 7. Here's number 8. Number 9. Oh, yeah, you got it.
Hey!
Okay, so what do you like to pick on this? Do you like to pick the
I
mystery?
usually, when I'm playing, I usually pick the 15 games.
You're gonna do 15 games, so you get to do whatever you want. And this is all gonna be your money. That's $8.80. Pick whatever you want to do. All right, 15 games, 3 by 5. I like that. Oh, we got a re-trigger right away.
Look at that.
Oh, we needed the food dog at the beginning. That could have been massive. What's the most you've ever won in a day at a casino?
What?
The most you've won in a day at a casino?
The most I've ever won.
200 bucks? I think we're gonna beat that tonight.
Well, it's a lot more than 200 bucks. All them credits on there.
We need to get a big one. We need food dogs. I got the sales ships almost all the way across one time for like 20 grand. Yeah, I know. Oh, that's good.
There you go.
$30. So this is great. We're up to $135. Oh, $20 and the pot. And another 20. Wow.
This is awesome. So $200. $200 was the deposit.
And a little coin shower. I love it. All right, I want to see you pick a major here.
Here we go.
You know what I call that?
What is that?
The little girl holding the tongue.
That's
Yep, the little girl holding the tongue.
She looks like she's holding a tongue.
All right, we're up to $251, and you got 8 spins left. Now you got 8 spins. You're from around here?
the mini.
Rhode Island? Oh. There we go. Another $20, $41. Alright, last spin unless we get another. Nothing. It's okay. Alright, so right now we're at 9 spins. We gotta take a few more spins, but again, you're gonna keep going. That's a pretty big win. $287.15.
Yeah, it's first of all, this is
Are
awesome.
you doing this for anybody else?
You're the first person we've done it for today. I was just walking around. I was looking up. I was trying to see if people aren't betting a lot of money and they've never bet that much before, and I want to give the experience to bet max bet.
That's so cool. That's so
Pretty
cool.
cool, isn't it? Yeah, I do it for. I have a YouTube channel, so I by myself. I'll film myself playing.
No, you're good, you're good.
My limit.
No, you're good. Thank you.
Now YouTube.
Facebook too. Yeah, I'll give you some information. All right, so we're at spin 9. Take another one. Another spin. Big spin. I want to see you do it again. All right, take another one. We're at number 11. We're just gonna do 20 total. Now we're at 12. I want to get a bonus round here. Here's number 13. More? Yep, one more. All right, so here's the deal, Lucy. So you took 14 spins. I'm not going to make you take all 22. You get to keep the $400.
Like that?
It's all for you. No strings attached.
There's nothing to it.
Nope, nothing at all. We're going to put you on TV.
You're gonna put me where?
On YouTube and Facebook, yeah.
And where? And what second? What are you gonna do?
We'll just have the video of us sitting here playing the game. That's it. You're going to love it. It's going to be great.
Okay. Okay.
So we're going to give you some Mr. Handpay stuff. So let me give you a coin. We've got a lucky lanyard and lucky bracelet. That's my YouTube channel. Check this out. So you get a lanyard, Mr. Handpay, and you can find me on YouTube if you want to watch. And there's a lucky bracelet. But good luck today.
Thank you.
That's so cool. What? It's weird that he had a counter, and I wonder if he uses that for himself too. Like when he's going out and doing some doing his spins, like what his count is. Like if he resets it. So the dude's a mathematician. Like him and NG, those guys they're math wizards, and I wouldn't be surprised if they have their own way of doing things when it comes to betting and how they bet and what games they play. It's pretty cool. I enjoy it. Like I am not the mathematician. I'm just more of a degenerate. All right, love you guys. That was a great one. I've got one coming up too from Cody from Exposed. We're gonna go back into the vault, have some fun with that one. Looks like you guys have been enjoying it. I will see you in the next video. Have a good one.